This wheelchair cum commode is brought for my father-in-law who recently had fractured hip bone. Let's unboxing commode wheelchair from a brand Venante. This wheelchair is foldable. You can easily carry anywhere. Easy assembly there. All the commode and the seat is intact like this. You have to cut it and open.
Person that actually matters. And every day I drive my car.
Now this is the foldable wheelchair. You have to open like this.
Find some peace in the station.
There is seat belt also so that the patient will not fall. Now we have to install this commode chair first. Slightly press it from all the corners and you get a click sound. So this indicates it has fixed properly. Just check second time, and this is the bucket. You have to slide like this.
And the moods that I hate.
And this is the cover. And for the seat you have to attach like this. Just place it like this. No need to screw or anything. And this is the footrest, and this is rotatable like this. This is made of hard plastic and it would not be break easily. As you can see, this black cloth, this is another footrest and it has to be little adjusted. So I pull this out and now I attached this cloth like in a horizontal manner like this. It has velcro, so just stick it. And both sides you have this brake, so the wheels are stopped when you are not using, so it not move easily. This is the very special feature in any wheelchair. It is very important to have brakes. This have two Castro wheel 360-degree movement and two big wheels. So this is the complete look of